You've broken the law, and I'm here to arrest you.
Hook him, Z.
End of watch is the closest you can get to being in the visceral, sometimes terrifying world of police officers.
End of watch.
Jake and Mike have given me more time than they probably have for any other movie in their life. I mean, I've had these guys for 5 months. Total 100% dedication.
Mike and I spent over half a year together preparing for this, going through some of the scariest situations that I've been in my life.
It's really interesting to see Jake come up with that character. He's bringing a lot of honesty and a lot of himself, and he's really putting all of his heart to it.
I got him. Try to run. Hit him, man. Hit him. Boom!
Michael Penn is someone who's going to be there for us and just work this material.
Mike's my other half. This movie doesn't exist without these two officers together.
You good?
What are we looking for again?
Dope, money, and guns.
Policia!
He's one of the most amazing actors that I've worked with. I mean, he's devoted to his work. I think we balance each other really well.
Everybody here is family.
With Anna Kendrick, she's this great counterpoint to Jake, and she keeps him on his toes.
You just step into this different world, and you don't have to make sure there's this clear line between action and cut. It just all melds together.
Hey, partner, what's up?
You know I love you, man. I would lay down my life for you, dude.
It's really great, and it's really beautiful.
When you have really gifted actors
I am fate with a badge and a gun,
who are willing to be exposed,
protecting the prey from the predators,
who are willing to be emotional,
the good from the bad. We are the police.
who are willing to truly go to some uncomfortable places, it's dynamite.
I hope they enjoy police service.
End of watch.